In early 2026, cities are transforming before our eyes as autonomous technology becomes reality. The skyline is evolving, and the streets are alive with innovation, as the first light of day reveals a world where machines and people coexist seamlessly. The convergence of AI, 5G, and advanced sensors is now powering a new era of urban efficiency and sustainability. These technologies form the digital backbone of tomorrow's cities, enabling real-time data exchange and intelligent decision-making at every level. The city's hum is quieter and smarter, with autonomous pods and drones replacing traditional delivery trucks. Streets once crowded with noise and exhaust are now filled with silent, efficient vehicles, orchestrated by intelligent systems that anticipate and adapt to the city's needs. Years of research and pilot programs have matured into integrated systems, autonomous vehicles, intelligent traffic, and on-demand logistics working together. These networks communicate seamlessly, optimizing routes, reducing delays, and ensuring that goods and people move swiftly and safely. Urban growth strains old infrastructure, but the autonomous revolution offers a solution: less congestion, lower emissions, and improved quality of life. Cleaner air, quieter neighborhoods, and more green spaces are becoming the new standard for city living. Regulatory frameworks are catching up, public acceptance is rising, and the economic case is clear. Governments and citizens alike are embracing these changes, recognizing the benefits for both the environment and the economy. For businesses, this is a chance to redefine service and operations. For city planners, it's an opportunity to create safer, cleaner, more connected communities. Residents are experiencing a new sense of mobility and freedom, as technology brings people closer together and makes daily life more convenient. 2026 marks the inflection point. Autonomous tech is no longer a vision, but a force reshaping our cities. The transformation is visible everywhere, from the way we commute to how we interact with our surroundings. The journey is just beginning and the pace of change is accelerating. As we look ahead, the promise of smarter, more sustainable cities is becoming a reality for all. Self-driving vehicles have become the most visible and transformative sign of how our cities are changing. Their presence is reshaping the way we think about transportation, mobility, and even the design of our urban spaces. In 2026, Level 4 autonomy, vehicles operating entirely without human input in well-mapped, defined areas, has moved from experimental pilot programs to a mainstream reality, fundamentally altering daily life for millions. Robo-taxis, autonomous shuttles, and delivery vans are now everywhere, seamlessly blending into the urban landscape and making city movement safer, more efficient, and more reliable than ever before. Major cities like Phoenix and Shenzhen already have thousands of autonomous vehicles on the road, completing millions of driverless miles each month and setting new records for urban mobility. These fleets operate nearly 24/7, slashing transportation costs, reducing congestion, and making on-demand mobility accessible to everyone, regardless of age or ability. Designed from the ground up for safety, equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and powerful AI, these vehicles constantly communicate with each other and the city infrastructure to prevent accidents and dramatically reduce traffic incidents. The era of personal car ownership is quickly fading in dense cities, replaced by a new culture of shared, autonomous mobility that prioritizes convenience, sustainability, and access for all. The result is a revolution in urban transportation: safer streets, lower costs, cleaner air, and a new standard for how we move through our cities every day. Artificial intelligence is the brain orchestrating the movement of autonomous fleets. AI processes real-time data from sensors, weather, and demand to optimize routes and network flow. Logistics companies use AI to cut last-mile delivery costs by up to 40%, making service faster and cheaper. Robo-taxi platforms predict demand and position vehicles proactively, minimizing wait times. Every trip generates data, feeding machine learning models that continuously improve the system. The result? A transportation network that gets smarter, more resilient, and more efficient every day. Above the streets, delivery drones are revolutionizing last-mile logistics. In 2026, new regulations have enabled large-scale drone delivery in cities worldwide. Drones cut last-mile costs by up to 90% for small packages, delivering in minutes instead of hours. Major players like Amazon and DHL now operate daily drone services, supported by networks of automated drone ports. Local businesses benefit too. Pharmacies and restaurants can offer instant delivery, leveling the playing field with e-commerce giants. The sky is now a new highway, reshaping customer expectations and local competition. Drone delivery is no longer a novelty, it's a core part of urban commerce. The last mile has never been faster or more accessible. Autonomous vehicles and drones thrive within the smart city's digital nervous system. Thousands of IoT sensors feed real-time data to central AI, enabling proactive urban management. Intelligent traffic systems adapt to conditions instantly, reducing congestion and emissions. Autonomous vehicles receive priority routing, and public transit moves more efficiently. Cities share anonymized data with businesses, enabling smarter logistics and retail decisions. This public-private data ecosystem drives innovation and economic growth. When disruptions occur, the system responds in real time, rerouting traffic, dispatching repair drones, and updating citizens. The result, a city that's more resilient, responsive, and efficient. The digital foundation makes the autonomous revolution possible at scale. Autonomous delivery is transforming e-commerce and reshaping city landscapes. Micro-fulfillment centers are popping up in urban areas, enabling retailers to fulfill orders in under an hour. Demand for small multi-story warehouses near city centers is rising, while parking lots are being repurposed for parks and housing. Mobility-as-a-service platforms are replacing car ownership, offering seamless access to robo-taxis, shuttles, and more. Freight is becoming on demand, with businesses booking autonomous trucks as easily as flights. Each advancement accelerates the next, creating a rapid evolution in how we live, work, and shop. The urban landscape of 2026 reflects these intersecting trends. Cities are becoming greener, more efficient, and more livable. The economic impact of autonomy is massive. Shipping costs are dropping by up to 50%. Benefiting both consumers and businesses. New business models are emerging, from mobility as a service to drone as a service, creating a vibrant innovation ecosystem. Data from autonomous fleets is fueling insights and new revenue streams. However, automation is displacing millions of jobs in transport and logistics, demanding urgent retraining and upskilling. The new economy will need fleet managers, data analysts, and robotics technicians. Building autonomous infrastructure requires significant investment, but the long-term gains are clear. Balancing these gains with short-term costs and social disruption is a challenge for both public and private sectors. Strategic planning and investment are essential for a just transition. The autonomous revolution's success depends on more than just technological breakthroughs. It hinges on smart regulation, public trust, and the ability of society to adapt to rapid change. As new innovations reshape our cities and workplaces, the role of government and community engagement becomes even more critical. In 2026, harmonized standards for vehicles and drones are emerging, but complex questions about liability, cybersecurity, and the management of shared airspace remain unresolved. Policymakers and industry leaders are working together to create frameworks that balance innovation with safety and accountability. Public acceptance is crucial. Safety records, transparent communication, and open dialogue with citizens are building trust. Communities want to see clear evidence that these technologies are reliable and that their concerns are being heard and addressed. Cities must integrate new systems, drone landing zones, charging stations, and accessible mobility options for all. Urban planners are reimagining infrastructure to ensure that everyone, regardless of ability, can benefit from these advancements. Job displacement is real, and immediate, requiring large-scale reskilling and lifelong learning programs. Workers need support to transition into new roles, and education systems must evolve to prepare people for the jobs of tomorrow. Data privacy and security are paramount. Robust governance frameworks must protect individuals while enabling system optimization. As more personal and operational data flows through digital networks, the stakes for safeguarding information have never been higher. Ensuring networks are secure from hacking is a matter of public safety. Vigilant monitoring and rapid response protocols are essential to prevent disruptions and maintain confidence in autonomous systems. Addressing these challenges with thoughtful policy and ethical principles is vital. Ongoing collaboration between governments, businesses, and communities will shape the rules that guide this new era. The future of work and urban life depends on proactive, inclusive solutions that leave no one behind. By prioritizing equity and opportunity, we can ensure that progress benefits all members of society. Only then can the autonomous revolution deliver on its promise. Creating safer, more connected, and more vibrant communities for generations to come. The autonomous revolution demands action, not passivity. Cities need digital master plans, upgrading infrastructure, deploying IoT, and fostering public-private innovation. Regulatory sandboxes let cities and companies test new tech safely, shaping smart policies together. Public engagement is key. Town halls and workshops build trust and consensus. Businesses must rethink supply chains, invest in fleet management, and focus on creating new value for customers. Workforce development and inclusivity must be at the heart of every strategy. By prioritizing people and collaboration, cities and businesses can lead the way to a smarter, more equitable urban future.